Hey everyone, ready to design a refreshing logo? Let's create Bayfront Breeze with a bright sun and flowing waves inside a circle.